In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Miro's features effectively. We'll cover everything from logging in to working with locked objects on your boards. Whether you're new to Miro or looking to refine your skills, these steps will help you make the most of this powerful visual workspace. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Miro's website. You'll want to log in, so go to Miro's sign-in page. If you have an account, enter your credentials to access your Miro dashboard. If you're new to Miro, you'll need to sign up and create an account to start exploring the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which showcases all your projects and boards. Now that you're inside your dashboard, the next step is to locate and click on one of your existing boards. These boards are where you organize your projects, plan your workflows, and collaborate with your team. Hover over any board title to reveal additional options that allow you to open, duplicate, or even delete a board. Click on the board you want to work on, and it'll open up in a new window. Once your board is open, you might find that some of the objects you want to work with are locked. This feature is handy for ensuring that critical parts of your project remain unchanged and secure while you or your team work on other areas. To unlock a locked object, simply click on it. Upon selection, a toolbar will appear at the top of the window. You'll notice a lock icon within this toolbar. All you need to do is long press on this lock icon and voila, the object will unlock, allowing you to edit or move it as needed. Remember, if an object is locked, you won't be able to modify it until you follow these unlocking steps. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to access your Miro boards and unlock objects, making it easier to dive into your projects and collaborate seamlessly with your team. Don't forget, Miro is all about enhancing visual collaboration, so take full advantage of its tools and features to brainstorm, plan, and execute your ideas effectively. If you're eager to explore further, take some time to familiarize yourself with other features such as sticky notes, templates, and other powerful tools that Miro has to offer. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with Miro. Be sure to explore deeply, and you'll find that Miro has a wealth of possibilities for innovation and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and until next time,